Want a stunning shade tree that thrives almost anywhere, without constant care? Meet the River Birch. Welcome to the TN Nursery YouTube channel, where generations of growers share expert tips and native plant wisdom. Today's spotlight: why the River Birch is the ultimate low-maintenance shade tree. This beauty is famous for its eye-catching, peeling bark that's a showstopper year-round. Fast-growing, gorgeous in every season, and bursting with golden leaves in fall, its landscape impact in record time. It's a wildlife magnet, feeding birds, sheltering pollinators, and even hosting butterflies like the mourning cloak. River Birch offers year-round charm with little care. From stream banks to suburban yards, this tree thrives in wet or dry spots, tolerates clay, and even resists deer. River Birch thrives anywhere with beauty and ease. Thrives in zones 4 through 9, grows up to 40 feet tall, and spreads wide for instant shade. River Birch thrives in many soil types. It resists pests and diseases. It grows fast with minimal upkeep. Plant it once and it rewards you for decades, with almost zero fuss. Get your River Birch at TN Nursery and transform your yard fast. Tap the link in the description to get yours today. And while you're here, smash that like button, drop a comment, and hit subscribe for more garden magic.